In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Odoo. We'll take a quick yet comprehensive journey through the steps necessary to customize your Odoo interface. This tutorial is perfect for making your user experience more pleasant and tailored to your preferences, whether you're seeking a light, welcoming ambiance or a dark, more eye-friendly display. So let's dive in and transform the way your workspace looks in just a few easy steps. To begin, let's ensure you're logged into your Odoo account. Once you have your credentials handy, type them into the login screen and access your account. If you're still using the default theme and eager for change, you're in the right place. The process is both simple and quick, promising a new appearance that meets your needs without any complicated tech trials. Now that you're comfortably logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your Odoo interface. You'll notice a profile icon right there. A quick hover over it will reveal that it's designed to give you access to various options, all centered around personalizing your account and settings. Go ahead and click on that icon to open your profile menu, which should present you with a range of useful options. Once you've clicked the profile icon, look for the option labeled My Preferences. This section is key to unlocking various customization capabilities within Odoo. By clicking on My Preferences, you're opening the door to settings that can affect not just the look, but also the feel of your Odoo workspace. After entering the My Preferences section, direct your attention to the theme settings. You should see an option simply titled Theme. Clicking on this will grant you access to different display modes. Here's where the real magic happens, allowing you to select between different themes such as light or dark, each bringing its own unique aesthetic and functionality. When you click on the Theme option, you will be prompted to decide on your preferred theme mode. If you spend long hours working at a desk and looking at your screen, the dark theme can be gentler on your eyes, reducing strain and fatigue. Conversely, if you prefer the traditional crisp look, the light theme provides a bright and fresh interface. With your choice made, simply select the theme that suits you best. You'll be able to immediately see the changes across your Odoo workspace, providing an instant upgrade to your visual experience. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Odoo interface to better suit your preferences. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on changing your Odoo theme. These few simple clicks can significantly enhance your user experience. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials that make your digital life easier and more enjoyable. Enjoy customizing and have a great day in your newly personalized Odoo workspace.